Hot glue on fabric. How a blow dryer can help.
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to tackle a sticky problem that you may have faced while working on your craft projects or home DIYs. You've got hot glue on your fabric, and it just doesn't seem to come off. Can a simple tool like a blow dryer help? Let's find out. We'll dive deep into the steps you need to take and explore how a blow dryer can be your secret weapon in removing hot glue from fabric.
Understanding the challenge.
Hot glue sticks because it cools down and solidifies, forming a strong bond. It's fantastic for crafting, but not so great when it ends up on your fabric by accident. Removing it without damaging the fabric can be a challenge. The heat from a blow dryer comes into play here. The key is to melt the glue without harming the fabric.
Step-by-step removal process.
Firstly, you should always make sure to let the glue dry completely. Trying to remove hot or warm glue can spread it further into the fabric, making the problem worse. Once the glue is dry, set your blow dryer to a medium heat setting. Aim it directly at the glue spot and hold it there for a few seconds. As the glue warms, it will begin to soften. Use a plastic scraper or an old credit card to gently lift and peel away the glue. Remember to go slow and steady, so you don't tear or damage the fabric.
Additional tips and precautions.
It's important to start with a medium heat setting and avoid going too high. High heat might risk damaging the fabric, especially if it's delicate or synthetic. Always do a spot test if you're unsure. Also, please be careful not to burn your fingers when peeling the glue away. If a blow dryer isn't handy or doesn't work for you, consider other methods like using rubbing alcohol or freezing the fabric to make the glue brittle. Remember, the key to successful removal is patience and a gentle touch. That's it. Using a blow dryer can indeed make removing hot glue from fabric a lot easier. It's a simple and effective solution for those crafting mishaps. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, every problem has a solution. So, don't let a bit of hot glue stop you from unleashing your creativity. Stay tuned for more craft and DIY tips. Happy crafting!